Have you ever noticed how the biggest tech secrets always seem to slip out right before a massive launch? A brief and almost unnoticed product page on Amazon Germany may have just given us our very first real glimpse of the highly anticipated DJI Pocket 4. The listing appeared completely quietly. It stayed live for a very short time. Then it vanished without any explanation at all. But in the modern world of tech, nothing is ever truly deleted. While DJI has not officially confirmed anything yet, the way this information surfaced feels far from accidental. In fact, DJI has a very long and famous history of allowing early listings to appear right before major announcements. Expected release date, March 2026. Launch window. According to the leaked page, the DJI Pocket 4 is expected to be available around March 2026. That timeline fits perfectly with DJI's usual and highly successful launch patterns. The company often schedules product releases a little later than people expect. They do this to make sure that all the accessories, the firmware updates, and the companion mobile apps are fully ready on day one. They want you to have a perfect, bug-free experience straight out of the box. If that strategy holds true here, the Pocket 4 may launch not just as a standalone camera. Instead, it will likely launch as part of a complete and polished creator ecosystem. A late February to March 2026 release window currently feels like the most realistic scenario. This gives creators just enough time to save up for what might be the ultimate travel camera of the entire year. Massive upgrade, true 1-inch sensor. Confirmed? One of the absolute most interesting details mentioned in the listing is the brand. New camera sensor. The page specifically refers to a 2.5cm CMOS sensor. In camera terms, this strongly suggests a true 1-inch type sensor. That would be a massive and highly meaningful upgrade. It is a clear signal that DJI is prioritizing pure image quality this time around. A larger sensor typically delivers much better dynamic range. It gives you far cleaner low-light footage. It also produces much more natural-looking highlights and shadows. Rather than just chasing higher resolution numbers to look good on a spec sheet, DJI seems to be focusing on improving real-world image quality. This matters far more for everyday creators. A 1-inch sensor means your videos will look more professional, more cinematic, and much sharper, even when the lighting around you is not perfect. K120 FPS, a slow-motion game changer. Speaking of video quality, performance is also expected to see a massive boost. The reports point to 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second. This is a total game changer for slow-motion video. Imagine capturing fast action, sports, or just beautiful cinematic travel footage in crystal clear 4K, and then slowing it down to be buttery smooth. However, achieving this reliably will depend heavily on heat control and bitrate management. Processing 4K video at 120 frames per second generates a ton of heat in a tiny device. If DJI can handle the thermal performance properly, this slow-motion footage could become far more usable than on any previous generations. You might actually be able to use it during longer recording sessions without the camera overheating and suddenly shutting down. This would instantly make the Pocket 4 a serious tool for professional videographers. Dual camera system. True optical zoom arrives, but here is where things get truly exciting. Another major rumored change is the introduction of a dual camera system. Early leaked images appear to show two distinct lenses on the front of the device. The most likely setup would be a standard wide-angle lens paired with a roughly 40mm equivalent lens. This would bring true optical zoom to the Pocket series for the very first time. Unlike digital zoom, which just crops into the image and ruins the video quality, optical zoom uses physical glass to bring you closer to your subject. This allows for tighter framing without sacrificing a single pixel of image quality. It will make the camera far more versatile for travel, vlogging, and capturing beautiful detail shots. You can switch from showing the whole landscape to getting a close-up of your face with zero loss in sharpness. Improved low-light performance for night creators. Low-light shooting also seems to be a major focus for this generation. A dual-sensor approach could allow each camera to be optimized for specific tasks. This would heavily improve performance in challenging lighting conditions. Have you ever tried to film a vlog at night and ended up with a grainy, dark, and unusable mess? The The Pocket 4 aims to fix that. While expectations need to remain realistic, because the Pocket 4 is still a compact pocket camera and not a massive mirrorless system, the aim appears to be giving users way more confidence. DJI wants you to feel confident when filming after sunset, in dark restaurants, or indoors. The new sensor combined with intelligent processing should make nighttime street walking videos look incredibly clean, bright, and vibrant. Redesigned. Gimbal and stronger build. Quality design-wise, the leaks suggest a slightly larger and much stronger gimbal head. This makes perfect sense. A larger gimbal is absolutely needed to stabilize a heavier, longer focal length lens. But a stronger gimbal means improved stabilization across the board for everything you shoot. Better motor tuning and stronger horizon control could result in incredibly smooth footage while walking, running, or hiking. You won't need to do the funny ninja walk anymore just to get steady shots. The body itself looks slightly slimmer but uses more robust materials. It also features textured arms for a much better grip. This ensures you will not accidentally drop it while filming in moving vehicles or crowded spaces. Despite these physical upgrades, it still remains genuinely pocket-friendly. You can easily slide it right into your jeans and take it absolutely anywhere. Enhanced audio system for vloggers. There are also clear signs of improved audio. The leaks show a horizontal bar under the lenses that may house upgraded microphones or new accessory mounts. Better built-in sound is crucial for vloggers. It would drastically reduce the reliance on bulky external microphones. This makes fast run-and-gun shooting setups far more practical. If you see something interesting happening, you just pull the camera out and start talking. You won't have to waste time plugging in wires or syncing audio later in your editing software. The built-in microphones should capture clear, crisp voice audio while easily canceling out annoying background wind noise. Advanced autofocus and intelligent tracking autofocus is another area getting a major bump. The Pocket 4 is expected to include highly reliable face and object tracking. This builds on DJI's recent and very impressive progress in this area. You can just tap your face on the screen, put the camera down on a table, and walk around the room. The gimbal will physically rotate to keep you perfectly in the center of the frame at all times. It is exactly like having your own personal robot camera operator following your every move. Battery life and power considerations. Now let's talk about the battery. Battery details remain a little bit unclear right now. But with dual sensors, a larger 1-inch sensor, and high frame rates like 4K 120 FPS, power consumption will definitely increase. The battery life may just be average rather than exceptional. This means that planning for short recording sessions or carrying a portable power bank will probably become the norm for heavy users. Honestly, it is a very small trade-off for getting cinema-quality footage out of a device the size of a candy bar. Expected pricing. Premium, but justified pricing is expected to land somewhere between $599 and $699. While this is certainly higher than the launch price of the Pocket 3, the massive upgrades could make it a very fair deal. You are essentially getting 2 cameras in one, a mechanical gimbal, a 1-inch sensor, and professional audio all right there in your pocket. Final thoughts. Is the DJI Pocket 4 a must-buy? In my honest opinion, the DJI Pocket 4 looks like an incredibly smart evolution. It is clearly focused on real shooting needs, rather than just being a flashy redesign. The addition of true optical zoom alone makes this an absolute must-buy for anyone serious about creating video content. It perfectly fixes the main limitations of previous models and pushes the boundaries of what a tiny pocket camera can actually do. This camera is going to be an absolute beast for YouTubers, TikTokers, and travel filmmakers. If you want to elevate your content without carrying a heavy and annoying camera bag, this is the tool you have been waiting for.